I grew up in really the downtown part of Fresno, near Ventura and First Street. I went to Roosevelt High School. I'm a Rough Rider. Graduated a year early from high school because I was kind of bored, and then went to UCLA as a 17-year-old. I always knew I was going to come back to Fresno. So the choices I made were all designed to get me back to Fresno. But when you get away from Fresno and you're in a large community like Los Angeles, you're in a university that has 35,000 students, you become aware of different people, different cultures, different languages, different ways of thinking, and it was very refreshing. And when I got out of law school and came back to Fresno, I think it gave me a better insight in how to communicate with people, how to understand them. Part of what I do in my practice is I can work with the small mom and pop, can't make their credit card payments, or I can work with banks, I can work with large multi-million-dollar companies, but because of the experience I had in dealing with different kinds of people in a large metropolitan community, I think it gave me the skills I needed to deal with all kinds of people. An opportunity came up to work for my mentor, Hilton Ryder, who's a partner here at McCormick. And at that time, Hilton and another very good local attorney by the name of Riley Walter had a small boutique firm called Ryder and Walter. And so I joined that firm as their associate. So he gave me that flexibility and that trust, and I was able to continue to develop. And that boutique at the time had a great reputation, and I was exposed to the type of cases that perhaps would have taken me years to experience had I been somewhere else. And over the years, it's my 32nd year, I believe, practicing, I continue to have a relationship with Hilton and Riley, and we're a small community here in Fresno. We all have to work with each other. Sometimes we work against each other, sometimes we're on the same side, but it's been a very collegial, professionally rewarding career. What I find attractive about this firm is its stability, its longevity, its the camaraderie among the various attorneys. I have really been made to feel like I'm already part of the family. Of course, my mentor, Hilton Ryder, being here, had a great influence on my decision. He's the type of guy that can forget more than what we'll ever know. There is opportunities for growth, not only in Fresno, in the San Luis Obispo area, Las Vegas, Reno, and Northern California. McCormick's Modesto office is catty corner from the bankruptcy court in Modesto. So those are the reasons I chose to come here, and what I was missing was that synergy that exists when you are in the same building with many like-minded, goal-oriented attorneys, and I'm looking forward to capitalize on that. When I can come in and solve the money part and save children from maybe being abused because of an angry dad who's lost his job, or save a marriage, or give people a chance to save their homes and move forward, that's professionally very rewarding for me. When I handle larger cases, and in that case, that airline successfully reorganized, came out of bankruptcy, and is still flying today. Saving a company by shedding some of its debt, maybe shedding some of its unprofitable leases, and reorganizing it in a way where people can still have their jobs and take care of their families, that means a lot to me. Most good attorneys know that with the privilege that has been bestowed upon them comes great responsibility. And I want to leave this career with competent attorneys who enjoy the practice of law, bankruptcy law, as much as I have.